How to download and install Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Tumblr. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now, here on the bottom, hit on this install button. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is a social media app. Here you can post all the arts and different forms of your work. Now you can easily open the app and start using it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.